asking me when I'm going back. I never thought I'd come back. And this is, I'm standing here all because of your prayers. Grandpa. And I wanted to start from the beginning. 97, when I reached Kharagpur, 50th Jubilee of this school and St. Agnes Grand School. So two of the appropriate common sisters, Sister Mavis and Sister Morita, they entered my house as a Catholic family in IIT campus. So from day one, we started associated with the sisters. I must say I grew up with you spiritually, and my children also grew up with all your guidance, and I learned everything from you sisters. Though I have 5 years working in Bombay with civil Catholic, I learned everything here. Everything, whatever you spoke about my good quality, all I learned from you. Nothing I had, I remember I wrote like this. This is the best memories in my life, and most of my life I lived with you. Most of you are my students also, so someday we are connected with you. So I must thank Sister. It's a very surprise visit. My family never thought I would have to go to Kharagpur, but suddenly last week my husband planned for a road trip to Kharagpur because of his painting. He wanted to do some renewal and NOC he wanted to do. And my family was not very confident that I could travel. So I had some health issues. But I said confidently I want to go see all my pictures. I will have a good talk with him. You gave me a lot of support. Everything you gave me support. Most of you remember my daughter's wedding. We are one big celebration here. And sister used to say whether I have to close the school. Engineering was fighting for closing the school. 1 week you only had a good time. And I did not go to my native place after wedding because I wanted to celebrate. This is my family. I told my dad and all my in-laws wanted to have a wedding day. I said no. My teachers wanted here. Engineer told me when my husband is there, he will not go back. Your daughter will have wedding with us. So within 3 months after my husband's retirement, we had a wedding. So I posed my family. I was back here. I was somehow diagnosed. So that's what Christian I did. You supported in all my time, and you made me stand again in front of you. I have no other words. Thank you, sisters, so much. Thank you all the opposite common sisters. Sister Ivy, I worked in Grand School from 97 to 2000. 2000 I completed teaching was not here. I was dragged by Sister Ivy to this. So from 2000 I was here. Thank you so much, teachers. I learned from everyone. You were motivating me, the God messaging me. So I wanted to do more to this today. So I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much, teachers. My speech was not but it is very, very soulful and very much connected with you. So it's not a formal speech, what I wanted to say. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Once to Karpal village. We were there for 4 teachers and 2 of us, Sister Sunita and myself. As we were going around the village, every word the teachers, as they were talking, every sentence was, no, Miss Rani did this, Miss Rani did it. So I was also curious to know who this Miss Rani is. And God gave the opportunity within just maybe a month back we had visited the Karpal village. And all that I heard from these days, and of course in your difficult times, we were with you in prayer because we didn't know much. But the sisters who we knew is to keep telling us. So, this is what we leave behind. You are not here for years now, but then the good work that you have done is still going on. And that is our wealth, and that is the appreciation that we carry with us. Though you are not here, but the good work that you have done lingers in every heart. And especially the love that you show for the poor and the neglected will never go away. It will have its own reward, not in our time, in God's time. So as you move out from Kharagpur, on behalf of St. Agnes School and all the sisters who are there here in the school, and all those who have received all the benefits of your hard labor, I wish you all the best and God's blessings upon you and your family. May God bless.
I didn't feel that I am in a school. And in the campus also she is there. And on the rainy days, she will call us and she will feed us. And then immediately, somehow, sister will sense it. The then principal. So she will sense and she will send a phone call. No one will pick up the phone. Because we are all there. Many of us are all there in her house. And I used to eating dosa, idli, sambar and whatever. Eating. Then after that we all will come together to school and we'll get nicely from sister that you all planned, you didn't come, but actually the bus didn't come. It was torrential rain, etc., etc., it will come later. Every moment in our school, whatever function we have, it is not without her. Even our class program, assembly programs, I was not at all very much good in it.
Rani means queen, and really and truly, Rani was the queen of our staff. She always and at every moment kept us happy and cheerful. There was never a dull moment with Rani. Be it picnics, be it staff meeting, be any occasion, Rani was there to cheer us all. Even though we were in a sad mood, Rani was there to bring us back to our normal self. Thank you, Rani, for all those lovely days that we spent together. We really, really miss you at every gathering that we have, because we can never forget the fun, the frolic, the mimicry, everything that you would do for us. We really enjoyed those lovely days with you. Thank you. And personally, she has given me so much of advice, so much help, especially where my two daughters were. She always advised them so much. And they are also so grateful to you, Rani, for all that advice and the help that you have given them. Thank you so much. And I pray in whatever you are doing, I know you are doing something really wonderful there also, because you love to be among children. And I pray that whatever you do and you are doing, may God bless you and help you to go on further in this work that you have chosen. Thank you once again, Rani, and God bless you, your family, and everyone that is connected with you. We really miss you, because I don't know whether you will come back again to Kharagpur. Now that you're going, I don't know. But anyways, Kharagpur is still open. Whenever you feel like, come. We are all there to welcome you. Thank you once again.
Good afternoon, dear friends, all the sisters, all my seniors, and my dear friend, my friend of last 17 years, from the campus to the school. So, it will be falling very short of words, because I will be becoming emotional also. I am becoming. From where to start? From the day one when I met her, I didn't feel that I am in school. because she is such a jovial person and used to make fun of every little bit. I didn't feel that I am in a school. And in the campus also she is there. And on the rainy days, she will call us and she will feed us. And then immediately, somehow, sister will sense it. The then principal. So she will sense and she will send a phone call. No one will pick up the phone because we are all there. Many of us are all there in her house and nicely eating dosa, idli, sambar and whatever we make. Then after that we all will come together to school and we'll get nicely from sister that you all planned, you didn't come, but actually the bus didn't come. It was torrential rain, etc., etc. It will come later. Every moment in our school, whatever function we had, it is not without her. Even our class program, assembly programs, I was not at all very much good in assembly programs conducting. For that reason only maybe I was given to a class where assemblies are not that important. So, I'm not that way capable to do all the time new thoughts. So, Rani is there. She will make a script and it is ready. You tum jao, ye kar do, wo bachcha ko le lo, ye pakad lo, ye ho jaye. Every time, whenever we have to fill up anything official matter, what guidance, whatever we want to have, we will tell her and she will please, okay, sister ke bole debo. If later pachish na kano, bole debo. And Rani, please don't tell her, now let us solve, then we will go to her if needed. So she is at every moment of our mischief or whatever little bit of knocking, whatever we used to do fun in the staff room, and especially in the exam time. Oh my God, what she used to do personally to some of us. All small chits she will make with lot of different comments and she will put it into my bag. Okay, that is the bag with the papers, answer scripts or my own personal bag. Then I go home and see so many chits are there. All what words she has chosen and what every moment she has seen me, this I have done, this I have done. All fun things, funny comments. In the campus also, she is having a lovely friend circle and many of us there, we remembered her participation in any festivities, cutting across any religious or non-religious, social gathering. So many of them, still they ask, how is she, where is she? So I have to answer. And I can't feel that whenever we come to school that Rani is not there in that staff room in that chair. Okay, so every time we used to feel her presence even if she is absent. Every time, everyone in our staff room, we felt her absence, we felt her presence. Okay, and she always guided us, always said that whatever hard work you do, you are doing for your own God, for your blessings from God and for your children. That word always haunts us in the year. I will never forget. So really we are very lucky to have her among us. I wish her all the good health, whatever peace of mind, happiness, still there to go ahead as she is doing a wonderful job with the little ones. All our prayers, all our good wishes are there with her. She is an intensely passionate, sensible, helpful, kind-hearted, diligent, perseverant, what all adjectives I have to put, careful, caring person we got as a friend and will be continued. Thank you, sister. Thank you, Ms. Shipra.
No social service without her, no program at all. And how we work together sometimes in different language, because I am very weak in Tamil and she is very strong in Tamil. I am very strong in Hindi and she is no. How she learned Hindi and Bengali we only know. How she used to make fun in our staff room. How she used to do that mimicry about everybody. So those good days we were thinking, and I will not speak any bad thing, any sad, because she was not with us, but every day we used to talk about her every day. Every day we used to tell when Rani was here how she used to do. And she is too good cook and ready to serve anybody, anytime. And she used to bring nice food. And all the teachers we enjoyed. We enjoyed a lot. Only few things which were making us different, but we were one. And because I called her my sister-in-law, because her husband calls me sister, my sister. So when he is my brother, so ननद भाभी का तो चलता है, वो घर में भी और बाहर में भी. And we had very good terms, we had very good time. And now when she came after so many days, I was not here, I went Visakhapatnam. This morning I came and my mobile is totally off. I did not know anything. Only yesterday Shipra gave me call. So I asked Shipra, what is there? Shipra, tell me, then only I will go. I thought I will not come. But no, if I will not come, I would not have come, I would have repented. So at least you all are free to go to Chennai, Coimbatore. I'm telling you from my side, okay? Rani is always ready there also. For shopping also, she will take you all. Okay? Is it Rani? You will take us, no?